To use an Apple gift card on Brawl Stars, you need to follow a series of steps. First, make sure you have an Apple gift card and know its balance, as this will be used to purchase in-game items. Open the App Store on your Apple device and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code and enter the gift card code from the back of the card. The balance will be added to your Apple ID account. Next, open Brawl Stars on your device. Tap the Shop button in the main menu. Then tap the Buy Gems or Buy Gold option. Select the item you want to purchase and tap the price. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID and password. You will then be asked to confirm the purchase using the balance on your Apple ID account. If the balance is sufficient, the purchase will be completed and the items will be added to your Brawl Stars account. It is essential to note that Apple gift cards can only be used on the App Store and not on the Google Play Store or other platforms. Also, ensure that your Apple ID is set to the correct region, as gift cards can only be redeemed in the region where they were purchased. Using an Apple gift card on Brawl Stars is a straightforward process, but it requires you to have a clear understanding of how the system works. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts, you can easily use your Apple gift card to purchase in-game items and enhance your gaming experience.